Antes de continuar con este video, se le avisa a los que están viendo este video que este video tiene tonos del Emergency Alert System o el sistema de alerta de emergencia de los Estados Unidos y de otros países, y lo cual puede provocar la activación accidental de este sistema, cosa penada por la ley. Así que es recomendable que este video no se ponga en ninguna televisión o alguna radio. Entonces, pues no tengo nada más que decir. Espero que disfruten el video, me costó un montón. Y pues lo disfruten y se ríen en un rato. Adiós.
Interrumpimos su programación habitual para informarles que criaturas que parecen personajes de anime están saliendo de su realidad y han llegado a nuestra realidad. La apariencia de estos personajes son cabezas medianas, ojos brillosos, pupilas con formas raras, algunos tienen apariencia de animales, y pueden llegar a tener alas. Si ve a alguno de estas criaturas, no entre en pánico, la mayoría de estas son inofensivas y pueden volverse compañeros de cualquier persona. Souschela y Sebel. Algunos de estos no son amables y son tóxicos y pueden insultarte. Si ve a algunas de estas criaturas con esta personalidad, es recomendable llamar al número de emergencias. No hay nada de qué preocuparse si ve uno de estas criaturas con personalidades amables, solo preocúpese si ve una de estas criaturas actuando tóxicas o molestas. Transmisión finalizada, tenga un buen día.
There! Now it is a quadrilateral and a triangle. Ooh. Wow, I don't ever want to see a pentagon ever again.
Hey, tennis ball.
Hi, Foldy.
What's up?
I'm helping Golf Ball find where Leafy is.
But Leafy's right over there.
Oh, thanks.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Canadian government. Stranger anime entities had appeared in the cities of Vancouver, Toronto and Quebec. These entities were seen being friendly, but also being aggressive. If you see any of these entities, do not panic. If you see these entities being aggressive, call the emergency number. Some of them have wings or powers. If you see any of this using their superpowers for bad things, run as quick as possible and call the police. We are in collaboration with the SCP Foundation. If any of these entities get extremely aggressive, we thank you for hearing this message. We will resume your regular programming. A message in French will follow.
Le message suivant est transmis à la demande du gouvernement canadien. Des entités animées étranges sont apparues dans les villes de Vancouver, Toronto et Québec. Ces entités ont été vues amicales, mais aussi agressives. Si vous voyez l'une de ces entités, faites-le pas de panique. Si vous voyez ces entités être agressives, appelez le numéro d'urgence. Certaines d'entre elles ont des ailes ou des pouvoirs. Si vous voyez quelque chose de tout cela, utilisez leur super pouvoir pour de mauvaises choses. Courez le plus vite possible et appelez la police. Nous sommes en collaboration avec la Fondation SCP. Si l'une de ces entités devient extrêmement agressive, nous vous remercions d'avoir entendu ce message. Nous reprendrons votre programmation habituelle.
Sorry, Pie. No hard feelings, right?
Whatever. You win some, you lose some.
Now that's a good way to look at it.
Stay P, will you play toss the dirt with me?
Yeah.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat,
This is not a test. 3 weeks ago in Mexico and Canada, stranger enemy entities had appeared in these countries. Those entities were seen friendly, but also being aggressive. In the case of our country, the entities weren't seen very friendly, and they started to attack the cities on screen. If you are on any of the cities, grab your family and friends, and seek shelter immediately. Also get important things, such as food, water, medical supplies, extra batteries and a battery-powered radio to get more information. It is recommended to do not panic. We are in collaboration with the SCP Foundation to contain these entities. Do not make contact with these entities. We will now resume your regular programming. Thanks for hearing.
We interrupted your regular programming. This message is transmitted at the request of the UK government. This is not a test. Stranger anime entities had appeared in our country. Those were seen friendly, but also being aggressive. Some of those have superpowers, and the aggressive ones are using those superpowers for bad things. It is recommended to seek shelter immediately, and grab food, water, clothes, a battery-powered radio, batteries and medical supplies. Those entities had appeared in London, Manchester, Isle of Man, Ness and Skye. If you are in any of these states, you are extremely advised to seek shelter. We will now resume your regular programming. Wait, what the hell? Dude, how is this possible? An entity has entered the EAS headquarters. I better get out of here. Oh wait. Phew, I had a gun. I could kill him. Anyways, this is the end of the emergency alert system. Thanks for hearing.